This is an overview of exporting a report in land. Under the Setup menu in your John Deere Operations Center account with TELUS Equipment Solutions. Exporting a report in John Deere Operations Center allows you to share, print, and distribute information in various formats. This can be useful for sharing with partners, advisors, or for creating reference materials. Specifically, you can export data as a PDF, Excel file, or in other formats for further analysis or integration with other systems. Navigate to the Setup menu, then to Land. Minimize all the farms to only display the client. Select it by clicking the checkbox, then selecting Export. Make sure Create a Report is selected up top. You can then select the XLSX file or the PDF. The PDF options allows you to select a list of shape boundaries to be exported. First, let's export using the Excel option. Select Download Report. Open the downloaded Excel file to reveal all the features of the client as tabs in the Excel file. Columns for each tab reveal more pertinent information. When we navigate back to Export, please select PDF and list shape boundaries. Click Download Report. Go to your Downloads folder and open the document. The locational summary will consist of the location information on the client, farm, field, total workable area, known as boundaries, and flags. You can print out the PDF or go back to the main web page for land. This completes the overview of exporting a report in land under the Setup menu in your John Deere Operations Center account with TELUS Equipment Solutions. Please call 830-224-4277 to get in contact with one of TELUS Equipment's Integrated Solutions representatives.